Balance pan it, balance pan it. Go down then you come up with a dance pan it. Grab on pan it, balance pan it. Whoa, whoa. She said good body but you get me up when you are twerking. Twerking, twerking. Cock it up, you have nothing to worry about, your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears are me.
So hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a effortless, natural looks, like a no makeup with no foundation and a really cool hair. So I'm starting off with a really buff wig. This is from Myfirstwigs. It's about 14 inches and it's the short Malaysian curly bob. So I'm going to show you how I apply my wig. This is very lightweight and nice for the summer. So I'm first starting off with my Got To Be Glue gel. It's the clear one, as you can see. I'm not really a fan of the white one anymore. And this one is less harsh on my edges. And I just really want to preserve my edges, guys. It's so important. But yeah, I'm just distributing that on my forehead. My edges, they come a bit further into my face. So yeah, like the glue will, well, the gel will kind of touch onto them. But oh well. Anyways, yeah, I just used the blow dryer to make it tacky, and then I went in with a freeze spray and I sprayed the lace and my forehead as well. Then I pulled the lace on my forehead, then used the hairdryer again and just to stick the sides down, because that's the bit that always kind of flaps up. It's the hardest bit to stick down. I'm using like a comb that came with the wig, because you know with Myfirstwigs they do give you like a comb, a band to put in the back. They do give you hair grips and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just using the tail part of the comb just to stick it down. And yes. Then after that, all you need to do now is just to tie down your hair. And I'm using some tights. I just cut a leg off the tights and I'm just going to tie down the front. Even though I did tie it down, I went back in and did some more customization, so the lace lifted a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. I didn't really put any powder on the lace or anything like that. I just want to just wear it straight out the back. And sometimes I'm just bare lazy. Who else is just lazy sometimes just to do their wig? It does take a long time, just long process, but you know. Anyways, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills tweezers, the best tweezers I've ever used in my entire life. And I'm just using it to pluck the parting and the front a little bit so that it looks a little bit more natural. I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I was just winging it and it came out good. So even if you don't know what you're doing, just take your time, do small little sections, and then afterwards you can go crazy like I am. Just plucking. But yeah, as you can tell, the front looks a little bit more natural and so does the parting. Way more natural. And the hair did kind of shed a bit, a lot of hair came out, guys, after plucking this and cutting the lace. I felt like I was dying and I realized it's not my own hair. Anywho, I just brushed out the wig, yeah, just to get rid of all the excess fallout from the hair. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh, it looks like it's my natural hair in it. Mad ting. So what I'm going to do is add water. So I just added water, guys, and I added some oil. If you actually just add bare water to your hair, yeah, then if you add oil to it, because oil and water don't mix, so it will kind of keep your hair still kind of damp. So I just added bare oil and bare water. I should have added more, but because I didn't realize that it would dry so quick, and the heat and everything is just bare long. So yeah, I'm just cutting little baby hairs. I was struggling with the baby hairs this time. I don't know why. I still tried. I just stuck it down with my Eco Styler gel and yeah man, just did a thing in it. I tried my best. But I was struggling, man, with that bit. I don't know why. But it still came out really nice. I'm just so in love with the curls. The frontal, the lace front bit is a light brown lace, by the way, and the hair does feel really silky. It's just bomb. Anywho, I'm going in with the makeup. So I started with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the dip brow pomade. This is in ebony, and I'm just filling out my brows. Sorry that the camera's a little bit blurry. The lens, man, but yeah, it focused in the end. So I'm just slightly filling out my eyebrows, nothing too deep, you know what I mean? Then I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is C13, and that is just to conceal the brows, and then just bring it down a little bit. And then what I'm going to do after that is also go in with another shade from Makeup Revolution. This is C14, and just put that on the lid. I'm using 2 colors just because I want it to actually look natural, and I don't really want like a white, like a really light base. So when I blend that in, yeah, it looks like it's my own skin color, and it looks very, very natural and really, really nice. And I found that this is like a really great trick if you don't want your eyebrows to be too sharp and too bright. And it came out looking really, really lovely, so I was so proud of that. Then I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and then I am just setting that. I've missed using this, guys, because I really do like the yellow undertone to it. Then I'm going in with C14, which is the same color as my skin, and I'm just concealing the top of the brow with a flat top brush, so just to make the brows sharp. And then I'm just using a big buffer brush just to blend that out, because we don't want no harsh lines. And obviously I'm not going to really wear foundation, so yeah. I'm setting my face with the Loreal Beauty Mist. It's like got rose water and stuff in there, guys. I absolutely love the products. Oh, so good. Then I'm using the Benefit Porefessional Matte Rescue Primer just to make my face matte and not shiny, because I really don't want to sweat. So I focus this more in the T-zone area and on my forehead, and it really does keep my skin quite matte. My skin actually looks kind of fresh still. There's me thinking I was looking like Chewbacca or some ish. Yeah, anyways. So I'm using Nude sticks, and this is in deep. It's like a tinted blur stick, so I'm just putting it at the side of my face. And then I'm gonna go in with the GOSHH BB Cream in 05 Espresso. I absolutely love this, but at the same time I hate it with a passion because I break out from it. So I need to find a new BB cream, like a nice lightweight BB cream that I can wear without having to actually put foundation. Like, I don't want foundation in this heat. I prefer BB creams, but oh god, I'm just so annoyed. I don't know why it breaks me out. Like, come on. Anyways, I'm just using my hand just to blend that out with the Nude sticks, and then just buffing everything in. And as you can tell, like, my skin hasn't really changed that much. It's really, really lightweight. You don't feel like there's anything on your face, and yeah, it just seems still natural. You know what I mean? Like, yes. Then I'm going back in with C13 concealer from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just highlighting. Guys, this is still a makeup tutorial. You know what I mean? Like, if you want to wear just eyebrows and a mascara and a lip gloss, go for it. But this is a no makeup look. So there will be makeup involved. Because I know a lot of people comment saying this is too much makeup for me. It's fine, my loves. If it's too much, you know, use less products. Or I don't know, but this is my no makeup, no foundation look. And I think it's effortless, and I think it's flawless. And if I'm going to do something, I want to do it right. You know what I mean? Anywho, I'm just setting my face now with the Sacha Buttercup powder again. Use a very small amount because we're not trying to bake or anything like that. We're just trying to set it and make it very, very light and very, very natural. And yeah, man, it looks fresh. Even my mustache is showing a little bit. So it shows you that this is not full coverage. It's just like a light tint. You know what I mean? Anywho, I'm using that powder just to like kind of make my cheekbones a little bit more defined. Then I'm going to go in with my Loreal powder in deep, and that is just to kind of like make the, what's that thing called? Oh my god, the highlighter less harsh. Sorry guys, mad. You see that, yeah? My CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer, it's like, it's falling apart. I need to get a new one. You get this from Amazon, by the way, guys. It's beautiful. Look at that though. It gives such nice warmth to your face. I absolutely love bronzing. I love this bronzer. I also use it, guys, to contour my nose because it's way less harsh. Hello. So literally I just do 2 straight lines down, and then I just blend it out with like not a flat brush, but like that brush, the brush that I'm using. I don't know the names of these brushes, guys. It's just too much brushes. As long as it does the job, who cares, right? But yeah, it's just a brush I had from ages. Then I'm using like another fluffy brush, and I'm using that bronzer, and I'm just like going over my eyes and underneath my eyes, just to like add warmth to the eyelid and all that. And yeah, I was quite excited and pleased because I felt like it looked natural and it didn't look over the top. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes. I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes 24 hour, it's like a kohl pencil. Yeah, and it's in Nude 005. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes because we're not wearing no falsies today, and not a lot of people can actually put on false lashes. So just curl your lashes, guys, and then you just add some mascara. My lashes are not growing. I want them to grow. I'm gonna like just put castor oil on them. I think that might work. But once I put the mascara on, it looks really, really lovely. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I absolutely love it. Normally I use the Loreal Mega Volume one in Miss Hippie, but obviously I've got the Too Faced one, so when this one runs out, I'll go back and buy the Loreal one. I love drugstore makeup. It's my fave. I'm not all about the high-end stuff because I just feel like we should be saving our money. You know, treat yourself once in a while, but drugstore, they're doing bits. I said it first. Anyways, I'm using the Makeup Revolution strobing highlighter in Rock On World, and I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. I'm also going to use this on the side of my face, well, just to highlight my cheeks in it. And then my brow bone and on my nose and all that. I think it's still a little bit too light. I wish it had more like gold in it, like a darker gold. I don't know, because like if the sun's not really shining on me and if I turn to the front, it looks weird, but at the same time I like it. I don't know, it's really, really weird. I don't know, guys, but yeah, highlighting the Cupid's bow now, the brow bone, highlight again. I love highlighting, guys, because listen, when you go outside here and the sun just shines on your face and someone calls your name and you turn around to them, oh, listen, they're gonna see that highlight. Anywho, I'm using my Fenty Gloss Bomb. It's nearly finished and I'm still digging it out. It's just so beautiful and it's just like, oh yeah. Then I'm just using my sleek brown is it lip liner pencil, just lining my lips just a little bit, and that's literally the makeup done, guys. Like that, I think that was very, very simple, and I think a lot of you would find this very, very easy to do. But yeah, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Fix It spray. Oh, that came out weird. On my, did you see that on my face? Yeah, just to set my face. And that's it. Take out the hair, zhuzh it up, look at the curls. I should have added a bit more water, but I like the way it looked. It still looked defined, but it was still a little bit frizzy, and it was still effortless, and it was beautiful, and I love this. But before I go, oh, the double chin. Here's a way to get rid of it. A flat brush, sleek contour kit in dark, and contour the jawline. Yes.
Wine fi me when you see me, you fi give me. Bag a gal inna the world, them want fi bring me bikini. Them a said you only there fi me money, you tricking me. Through me flood you with Fendi, Louis V and some Tiffany. You look so sexy in your clothes, not in a bikini. Oh, you so cool, you not for pose. Show them what pretty be. Pan the mic, I want your kiss pan, beat it like a piston. So me stroke it to a response. Say good, but if you get me at when you are work it, work it, work it.
Just to come back again, yeah, listen, how lit was that tutorial? Like, I actually really, really like doing the natural stuff just because it's easy to do. Everybody can wear it. Guys, please, please, please do check out this hair from Myfirstwig. Absolutely banging. Like, come on, guys. This is like natural, effortless hair. And the curls are just popping. The highlights popping. It's all just popping. I'm ready to go out and I will have no stress, no problem. All this, I'm feeling it. So if you're feeling it, please try it out, go out and see how you feel. Anyways, thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. My G's.